Hello everyone, friends. Today, I will show you a simple strategy for beginners. The essence of this strategy lies in trading using the popular Bollinger Bands indicator, or simply the Bollinger lines. Also, the link to the broker I trade with is in the description, as well as in the pinned comment under this video. After we switch to the broker, we select the types of charts and click on this button. We select the candlestick chart type here and the M1 interval. M1, guys, is a 1 minute time frame. The 1 minute time frame shows us what happened with one candle over 1 minute. Next, we click on the indicators tab. Here is the second one. We click here. And we select our Bollinger Bands indicator. I have already added it to favorites. You can also add it to favorites, but it's up to you. We click on the Bollinger Bands indicator. We also need to set it up correctly for trading, so we click on the pencil here and set our period value as it is by default, and the deviation value should be set to 1 and 4. We write 1 and 4. As we can see, our Bollinger channel has expanded, and the signals will now be more accurate for entering trades. Then we click the Save button. Ready, guys? Now I will explain how we will enter and trade together. The currency pair is Euro-Turkish Lira. Now I will explain the logic of how we will enter a trade together. We have the upper Bollinger boundary and the lower Bollinger boundary here. We need to enter on the breakout of one of the Bollinger lines. For example, if the price approaches the upper boundary and breaks through it, we enter for the continuation of the breakout of the upper Bollinger boundary. In this case, it is a buy. Also guys, keep in mind that we enter the trade for 1 minute. This is important. We need to enter for exactly 1 minute in one direction, since we have set a 1 minute time frame here. We need 2 candles to move in the same direction, and the second candle in sequence should break one of the bands. Well, let me give an example here. A good decent situation. I draw your attention to the fact that the first candle moved up, the second candle did as well, and the upper line of the band was broken. If we had entered on the third candle, we would have made a profit. Also, here, the second candle broke the lower boundary of the Bollinger Band. If we had entered down on the third candle for 1 minute, we would have made a profit. So friends, the currency pair dollar Brazilian, real. In short, USD BRL, I am entering a downward position for 1 minute. So, guys, I entered a downward position. Let me explain why. The lower boundary of the Bollinger Bands was broken, and on the third candle, accordingly, I entered down. So friends, 1 second until closing. That's it, we made a profit. I just earned 18 bucks. Also friends, I want to draw your attention to the fact that it's better to enter according to the trend. Here we entered a trade, as it turned out. Our trend is directed downwards. As we can see, the price is moving down. Down. And accordingly, if the price breaks through the lower boundary of the Bollinger Bands, in the direction of the trend, the signal is more accurate. And also, if the trend is directed upwards, the same goes for you guys. Here guys, as we can see, the trend is directed upwards. The second candle is closing now, and on the third candle, I am entering a $20 upward position, guys. 5 seconds until closing, as we can see here. We have time, so I'm entering for a rise. Let's go. Guys, I entered for a rise. As we can see, the trend here is upward. And we entered in the direction of the trend. This is just an excellent signal for entering a trade. We are waiting for the closing, guys, of our trade. One second. That's it. The trade closed in profit. Great, great. Also guys, look at the percentages. For example, I entered here at 92%. Basically, not bad. To our investment amount. So guys, let me find another situation. Currency pair. In short, USD. World. Or MER. I don't know. Something like that. Here's the situation. Look, we have The overall price potential is directed downward. The second candle crossed the lower Bollinger Band, and on the third, we are entering for a minute down. We are waiting, guys, for the closing of our trade. 30 seconds left. So, guys, 2 seconds, 1. The trade closes beautifully. In profit? Great. This was such a simple strategy today in the review. We managed to make 3 great profits during the trading session. This strategy is certainly not perfect. Ideally, we would add some additional indicators. But for trading in general, it will do if you trade correctly and safely. With that, friends, I will conclude. Thank you all for watching. Good trading to everyone, and goodbye.